Brought to you by the Asian Business Institute and Resource Center. Funding for Specialty Eats was made possible by a grant from the U.S. Department of Agriculture Agricultural Marketing Service. Its contents are solely the responsibility of the authors and do not necessarily represent the official views of the USDA.
Yu Choy Sum, a beloved leafy green in Chinese cuisine, offers a delicate balance of tender stems and mild bitterness. It's versatile in stir-fries, soups, and steamed dishes. And because of its nutritional benefits, Yu Choy Sum is a staple that enhances both flavor and health in traditional Chinese cooking. Hello everyone, welcome back to Specialty Eats with V and ABIRC, and today we have Chef Meng cooking for us.
Thank you.
What will we be working with today?
Today our dish will be Yu Choy Sum, also known as Choy Som.
Oh, appetizing.
Yeah.
All right, let's get started.
Let's get started. Now today, let's start. Fire up the flame. Double check to make sure it's on. Then what you want to do is you want to add probably a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Once that heat up, give about 1 or 2 seconds, about 15 seconds to heat up. Then you add about a teaspoon. You can add more if you like. If you're a garlic lover, you can add more.
Yes.
So give it a stir until you can smell the aroma of the garlic.
Mm-hmm. I see we don't have any proteins on the table, so is this just me, the dish by itself with the Yu Choy Sum?
Yes, that's correct, B.
Oh.
It's gonna be a healthy vegetarian dish.
Okay, cool.
Once you heat up, once you start smelling the garlic, all you do is just throw in your Choy Sum or Yu Choy Sum. Now all you want to do is kind of stir fry this. Season a little bit with a pinch or two of salt, pinch or two of black pepper. Now you can substitute this for white pepper too. You don't like black pepper. All right. Once that's done, what I want to do is lower the heat to medium. Then cover it and let it soak in the juice. Leave down.
So what other dishes do you recommend with the Yu Choy?
Other dishes with Yu Choy, like I said, this is a vegetarian, but you could add meats to it. Whatever protein you want to add to it, you can add to it. Just remember, cook your meats first, then throw in your Choy Sum at the end.
Okay, sounds like beef is my winner.
Yeah, cook it down to the tenderness of the leaf that you want. You like it with a punch. Mm-hmm. Don't overcook it. Mm-hmm. You want to soften it. Cook it a little longer.
A little longer. Okay, so more crunch, more strength to the bite, and we stick with a shorter cooking time.
Yeah.
Sounds good. Sounds good. So I've noticed some Yu Choy I've seen at the store. They have yellow flowers and they're darker in color. Have you messed with those before?
Not quite. I haven't messed with it, but I know that you could eat those with the flour, and it's darker color, so it has a vibrant color to it. It's darker.
Right.
And it might have, like I said, I haven't worked with it, but you can eat with it. If that's your choice, you could go with that type too.
And the Yu Choy, do you recommend just stir frying it or?
No, you could actually stew.
Stew?
You can put it in soup.
Soup, okay.
Just remember, when soup and stew is, don't overcook it.
Right.
That's it. But like I said, you could put it in those.
Oh,
okay. Good with like any protein you want.
Right, interesting, right.
You want to go healthy, chicken. Right, chicken is more healthy.
Chicken breast.
Right, chicken breast, yeah, it's more healthy. So you go with chicken breast, you can cook that way too.
Sounds good. Sounds good.
So I said, I'm just using salt and black pepper only.
Right.
Right. And then maybe a little light soy sauce.
And you can always substitute the salt with light salt.
Oh
or
yes,
kosher
you can.
Salt.
Yes, you can. You can substitute whatever is more healthy to yourself. You know, to your body.
To our preferences.
Yep.
Perfect.
So now once that, see how it well down. You know. Is that well down like that? It's done. Done, and then we plate it. We plate it, right? Kind of plate it, right? Now what I do is I put a hint of light soy sauce on top. Just a flavor of soy sauce, right?
Mm-hmm. Kind of like a sushi.
Yeah, so that's it.
Well, I can smell the garlic coming from the Yu Choy already, so let's go ahead and give it a taste.
Let's get a taste, B.
The Yu Choy reminds me a little bit of green mustard and collard greens, but with the bok choy texture to it.
Oh yeah.
It's very salty, which is good for me. I feel like you said earlier, we don't have to put a lot of salt, so it's very versatile in the cooking style. But again, it's very, very tasty.
As a little texture, like I said, you want it softer, you could cook it a little longer. All you do is just add water to it.
It's very fibrous too, so it's very good. It's such a simple dish that I feel like everyone should be able to know how to cook this.
Very simple. It's fast too. It doesn't take that long. Greens like Choy Som, greens like these doesn't take long to cook.
Right.
Yeah,
right.
like I said, you want it softer. Like I mentioned, you want it softer. Add a little bit of water to it to steam it down. Be softer than it is. But you like the texture of this. You don't have to overcook it.
Right. Right.
Yeah.
Well,
and then you want to cut back on your salt. You can cut back on your salt.
yes.
Or
correct.
you want to put the soy sauce. You don't need to put the soy sauce.
Correct. All right. Well, thank you, Chef Meng, for cooking this dish
My
for
pleasure,
me again.
B.
And to everyone back at home,
Happy eating.